viewers, today I am giving you very nice, chapati recipe which contains very less oil and it is other than wheat. This is also whole wheat, whole meal. So because it contains whole grains, you just grind the whole grain. That is called bajra. That is bajre ka atta. I have taken some bajre ka atta here. And I will take some like tomatoes finely chopped, some onions, some coriander, parsley, some jeera, namak and mirchi, and some chaat masala and garam masala if you want, and some water of course, and one non-stick tawa. So I will make, like I have taken 2 chapatis, like 60 gram of atta I have taken. Now I'll add some salt here, then some pepper, then some jeera, some hara dhania, plenty of hara dhania, then some tomatoes, here goes some onions, then I will make a dough out of it. Actually the rolling of this chapati is very difficult. Everybody cannot make this chapati, so I am giving you a little idea, and it's very nutritious also. There is a lot of vitamin B complex and calcium, and it's a whole meal, so it's very healthy. You will not have any constipation, and it contains lots of fiber, and we are adding some vegetables also, so it's plenty of fibers. It's very healthy, nutritious breakfast, or you can take as a dinner, you can take as a snack also. It's very healthy. You can take this, very tasty also, with the tea, coffee or Coca-Cola. I love with Coca-Cola, like samosa. In place of samosa you can have this bajra ki chapati, very delicious, It brings long life to your health, and you lose weight also because no oil, nothing, and you will lose weight very happily. So nothing to worry about now. Now cheer up, you are having tasty dishes. So I will have some, like you can make out of this 3 also, so even the calorie count comes less. So take some atta in your hand, because rolling of this roti chapati is very difficult. So I will add very little oil here inside that, so it becomes very crisp. Now I will make a round dough out of this, and you roll just in your hands only, so it becomes very easy, and it should be a little hard dough, not very soft. I'm not making like chila batter and all. Some people they make roll on a panni, like plastic, in between the 2 sheets of plastic. That also is one method, but today I'm giving you the method how to make with your hands only. So it's very easy. So preheat your tawa and add some oil, very little, like 1 gram of oil, and just put your chapati here, and you spread with your hands only on your tawa, no problem. Increase your heat and enjoy. Some people they like very thin, some people they like thick one, so depending on your choice you can have the size of the thickness of your chapati out here. So afterwards, when it comes tawa, I can cover it this. We can cover it with this. इसका opener भी नहीं है, opener भी लगा. So now I will turn it, lift this up. It's very easy. Very nice this chapati. I love this. In Sindhi they call it doda. I love this doda very much. Chawal ka doda, bajre ka, and then ज्वार का. All the three are so delicious. I love them. And if you taste now, you will be mad out of this. Very nice, very healthy, delicious recipe. No oil nothing. Dip this and have very little oil and just drizzle 1 drop of oil. Only 1 or 2 drops is required, not much. Itself is very tasty. So you just enjoy. Very delicious. It is like paratha only, but no oil. It is very healthy now. So now I will taste it. I will have as a breakfast. I have not taken breakfast today, Kitty. So I will have breakfast with this. So enjoy with either any of your chutney of your choice, or you can enjoy with ketchup if you don't have chutney. You can have with yogurt, no problem. Milk also, Bournvita. Very delicious. Nothing like that. So always enjoy bajre ki roti. This is bajre ki roti or jawar ki roti. Anything. This is bajre ki roti. It's very delicious and high fiber, high protein dish. And high carbo also. Means low carbo. And a very high nutrition dish. So thanks for watching this lovely dish. I love it.